In the heart of the vast and ancient civilization that was China, a philosophy emerged that would shape the course of history and influence generations to come. This was Confucianism, a philosophical and political system that revolved around the teachings of the great philosopher Confucius. Born in 551 BC in the state of Lu, Confucius lived during the spring and autumn period of Chinese history. He was a scholar, a statesman, and a teacher, and his ideas would become the bedrock of Chinese society for centuries. Confucius' teachings were deeply rooted in the principles of benevolence, righteousness, propriety, wisdom, and trustworthiness. He believed that these virtues, when cultivated, would lead to a harmonious and prosperous society. One of the most important aspects of Confucianism was its emphasis on education. Confucius understood that knowledge was the key to a better life and a better society. He advocated for a rigorous education system that focused on moral development as much as academic excellence. In the midst of the chaos and turmoil of the spring and autumn period, Confucius' teachings offered a beacon of hope. Many of the warring states of the time sought his wisdom, and he served as an advisor to several rulers. However, Confucius' influence was not limited to the political sphere. His teachings permeated every aspect of Chinese life, from the family to the state. Confucianism emphasized the importance of filial piety, the respect and obedience of children towards their parents. This principle, along with the belief in the importance of maintaining social harmony, made Confucianism a powerful force in Chinese society. Confucianism's impact was felt not just in China, but in neighboring nations as well. Korea and Vietnam both adopted Confucianism as their official philosophy, and its influence can be seen in the cultures and societies of these countries to this day. In conclusion, the teachings of Confucius have had a profound and lasting impact on the history of China and East Asia. His emphasis on education, morality, and social harmony provided a moral compass for millions of people over the centuries. Today, Confucianism continues to be studied and practiced, a testament to its timeless wisdom and enduring relevance. As Confucius himself once said, by three methods we may learn wisdom: first, by reflection, which is noblest; second, by imitation, which is easiest; and third, by experience, which is the bitterest. His teachings, still relevant today, remind us of the importance of learning from the past, and of the power of wisdom to shape our lives and our world.